Hello everyone, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok. I am from Ahmednagar. Today's Viva topic is what is the final keyword in Java. So we have discussed about the final keyword in Java. Before we are going to, there are various types of keywords are using in Java. First of all, uh, static keyword, these keywords, and then final keywords. So we have discussed about the final keywords. So what is the final keywords? So final keywords, it is a restrict only, and it can be various types of context are using. First of all, variable, then method, and then third is a class. So we have briefly discuss about that. Firstly, final keyword is the main function of final keyword is a we have declared your variable in your class as a final, so we cannot change the your variables. We are variables also, because of we can use the final word, final keyword use. We cannot change the we cannot change the after declaration initialization of variables. So we have briefly discussed about the variables, class, and methods. So variable, class, and methods. So variable is a suppose we have discussed about Java final variables. So if we make variable as a final, we cannot change the value of variable to be constant. Example of final variable. So there is a final variable speed limit. We are going to change the value of this variable, but we cannot change the value of final variable once assigned the value whenever to be changed. We have take the example about the final variables. So we have discussed, we have created the class. Your class name is suppose bike, and then we have put the variables name is a final int speed limit is 90, and then wide we have create the method wide run method, and run method we have, and in that run method is out in that run method, and we have create the main methods, and we have create the main methods and call the objects speed, bike b is equal to new bike, and the object new bike b dot run, and then we have to provided to output is a compile time error, because of we cannot change the variable name. We have declared the final variable name. After we cannot change the variable name, so we in that case output is provided to compile time error. So next is a Java final method. So if you make the many methods as a final, you cannot override it. We have take the example about the final methods. We have created the class name is a bike, and then method is a final wide run methods, and sysout running, and then we have created the second class is a Honda, and Honda extend the bike, and then sysout statement is a running safety week 100 km/h. So in that case we have created the main method, and in that we have created the main method and also call the objects Honda h is equal to new Honda h dot run to its output is provided to compile time error, because of we cannot change the cannot change the method as a final, so we cannot change the after final word are using in methods. So next is a Java final class. So Java final class, if you make the class is a final, we cannot change the we cannot extend it. We have created the class. Your class name is a bike, and we have sysout statement running safely, and then we have created the class Honda, and Honda extend the bike, and we have created the main methods, and we have created the main methods and also call the objects Honda h is equal to new Honda h dot run. So in that case compile time error, because of we cannot change the we have initialize the class as a final. So after that we cannot change the you cannot change the class, we cannot change the class name, we cannot change the after final word using. So it is the three context of we are using the final keywords. So is the final method inheritance? Yes, the final method is a inherited, because of we have created the class name is a bike, and then we have created the final we have created the run method, and we have created the run method, and before run method we are using the final keywords, and we have created the second class name is a Honda. Next extend the bike, we have created the main method public static void main string arguments, and we have called the object new Honda to we have no Honda and run methods. So it is a output is provided to running. So it is a running. We can initialize the objects by using the constructor. So constructor are main using to initialize the objects. So it is the all over about the final keywords in Java. Thank you so much.